So next question is a plus 3 iota upon 2 plus iota if is equal to minus 1 minus iota. If this is given to us, we have to show that 5a minus 7b is equal to 0. We have to show this thing. Okay, so how to proceed in this question is, first of all you have to somehow find the values of a and b. Then you can put them here and you can show the relation. So how to find the values of a and b? You have to find them from comparing the both the sides of this relationship. Okay, so you can do like this. Okay, cross multiply. Okay, so this is a plus 3 iota is equal to 2 plus iota into 2b, sorry, 2 plus iota b minus 2 iota minus iota into iota b. Okay, I just took this side and multiplied with this. Okay, so multiply. I just multiplied I did the cross multiplication. Now a plus 3 iota is equal to 2 plus iota b minus 2 iota. Iota into iota is how much? Minus 1, and minus minus is plus, so plus b. Okay, just separate the real and imaginary parts here. So a plus 3 iota is equal to 2 plus b plus iota into b minus 2. Just equate the real and imaginary parts. So what you get is, you get b minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, and a is equal to 2 plus b. Okay, so from this equation b is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, and a is equal to 2 plus, just put the value of b here, 5 is equal to 7. So a is 7 and b is 5. Okay, now we have to show that 5a minus 7b is equal to 0. Just substitute the values. So 5 into 7 minus 7 into 5. So this is 35 minus 35, and this is equal to 0. So hence proved. Okay. Next one. Question: x plus iota y is equal to under root of a plus iota b upon c plus iota d. Okay, and we have to prove x square plus y square whole square plus d square. Okay, this is what we have to show. Okay, now to proceed in this question, what you can do is, what you will do is basically just take the conjugate of this expression. Okay, why I said take the conjugate, I will show you why. Because see, conjugate is what? X minus iota y, okay, is equal to a minus iota b upon c minus iota d. This is the conjugate. Why I took the conjugate? Because you see, if you multiply this equation and this equation, what will you get? You will get x square plus y square. I will show you how. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. And you have to see carefully, because see, you are seeing here right side there is a square plus b square upon c square plus d square. and left side is x square plus y square. So how is it possible? It is not possible conventionally. So what you will do is if you take the conjugate and multiply with this original one, you will get this expression. Just let us see. 1 into 2. So this is x plus iota y into x minus iota y. Just take the conjugate on both the sides. So this is another equation. Okay. Now this will be okay. Now see what I was talking about. This is A, assume this is B. So A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So this will be x square minus iota y whole square. Okay, again look at this one, just take the square root whole. So you can write this expression as A plus iota B into A minus iota B upon C plus iota D upon C minus iota D. So iota square is minus 1, so minus minus becomes plus. So x square plus y square, okay, is equal to square root of again A plus iota B into A minus iota B. So A square minus iota B whole square divided by C square minus iota D whole square. Okay, now just open all the whole squares and let us see what happens. So iota square is minus 1, minus minus becomes plus. So this will be also C square plus D square. Okay, now what you can do here is, see here it is A square plus B square upon C square upon D square, and here it is whole square. So what you can do here is taking square on both sides. So you get x square plus y square whole square is equal to A square plus B square upon C square plus D square. Square root will disappear. So this is the answer. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, this is how you will do this question. Okay. Okay. Let us see the next question. So we have to prove this relationship is true if A plus iota B is equal to 1 minus 1 plus iota. Okay, so how you can proceed is just cross multiply first, or what you can do is just take the conjugate and multiply on bottom and top and bottom. So A plus iota B is equal to 1 plus iota into 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota into 1 plus iota. I just took the conjugate and multiplied numerator and denominator. So 1 and this is what A minus B into A plus B, so that is A square minus B square, 1 square minus iota whole square. A plus iota b is equal to 1 plus 2 iota plus iota square divided by 1 minus iota square is minus 1, so minus minus becomes plus. This is 1 plus 2 iota, iota square is minus 1 upon 2. So this is how much? 1 1 cancel, so 2 iota upon 2 is iota. Okay, so this was equal to a plus iota b. Okay, so now if you look carefully, you can write it like this: 0 plus iota b so real part is, you can write two equations: a is equal to 0 and b is equal to one. Okay, equating real and imaginary parts. So we have to prove a square plus b square is equal to 1. So just put in the value: 0 square plus 1 square is equal to 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. Next one. Okay, so this is your next question. X plus iota y whole cube is equal to y plus vi. Okay, we have to show y upon x plus v upon y is equal to 4x square minus y square. Okay, so y upon x plus 4v upon y. Okay, always double check the question. Okay, before you start, always double check the question. Okay, so how to proceed in this question is, you can find the value of y and b. You can find the value of y and b in terms of x and y. Okay, so first of all, just open this whole cube. This is x plus iota y. So whole cube. So a plus b whole cube is a cube x cube plus iota y cube plus 3x iota y into x plus iota y. Okay, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, okay, into a plus b. We use this relationship here. So just open the brackets now. X cube. Okay, I cube is I minus iota. So this will be minus iota y cube. Okay, now just multiply this inside. So this is 3x square iota y. Okay, and this 3x iota y into iota y. So that will be x cube iota y into iota y will be iota is minus 1, so minus 3xy square. Okay, separate the real and imaginary parts. So x cube minus 3xy square, okay, plus iota into 3x square y minus right. Okay, and this whole expression is equal to y plus vi. Okay, so from here just you can find the value of y and v. Y is equal to x cube upon minus 3x y, sorry, and v is equal to 3x square y minus y cube. So these are the two values of y and v that we get. So just substitute this value in this expression. Y upon x plus v upon y. Just put the value of y and v. X cube minus 3xy square divided by x plus 3x square y minus y cube upon y. Okay, so here x is common, so x square minus 3y square upon x plus y into 3x square minus y square upon y. X y gone, so it is x square minus 3y square plus 3x square minus y square. So 4x square minus 4y square, or 4 into x square minus y square. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay. Okay, let's do the next question. So next question is iota raised to the power 9 plus iota raised to the power 19. We have to express it in the form of iota a plus iota b. We have to express it in this form. Okay, so just simplify this. So iota 9 is multiple of 8. In multiple form, just express iota 8 into iota 1 plus iota 16 into iota cube. So this is what? 1 into iota plus 1 into minus iota. So sorry. Okay, so this will be what? Iota minus iota. So this is 0. Okay, so you can write it like 0 plus 0 into iota. Just this is the a plus iota b form. Okay, very easy question. Next one, same. Express into a plus iota b form, I raised to the power minus 39. So this will be 1 upon so this can be I upon 1 upon I raised to power 36 into I cube, because 36 is a multiple of 9. So 1 upon I cube. Iota cube is how much? Minus iota. Okay, just multiply numerator and denominator by iota. This will be iota upon minus iota into iota is 1, because iota into iota is minus 1 and into minus 1 is plus 1. So the answer is 0 plus iota. So this is the form. So the next question is, this is the next question. Just open the brackets. We have to express in a plus iota b form. Okay, so this is minus minus plus 4 by 3 minus iota. Okay, so 1 by 3. Okay, this is the, just separate the real and imaginary parts here. Okay, so 1 by 3, 4 and 4 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus 4 plus iota 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. So 4 by 3 plus 5, 1 by 3 is 5 by 3 plus 4 plus iota into 8 by 3 minus. Okay, just simplify this further. So 5 plus 12 upon 3 plus iota into 8 minus 3 upon 3. So 17 by 3 plus 5 by 3 iota. This is the answer. Okay. Again same, you have to express in this form. You have to express in form of a plus iota b. So the question is, okay, first of all you don't know the whole raised to power 4 equation. Okay, the expansion formula you don't know, so just convert it into square. So this will look like something 1 square minus 2 iota plus iota square whole square. And this is 1 minus 2 iota. Iota square is minus 1 whole square. So 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 iota whole square. That will be 4 iota square. Iota square is how much? Minus 1. So minus 4 plus 0 iota. This is the general form of a plus iota. Okay. Next is this one in the same a plus iota b form. So you can write it like this. Okay, just take the whole cube. You can write it like this. Take out the minus common. Okay, minus 1 whole cube outside, 2 plus 1 by 3 iota. It will be simpler for you. No other reason, specific reason for this. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Okay, forget about this right now. Let's open this one. 2 cube plus 1 by 3 iota whole cube plus 3 into 2 into iota by 3 into 2 plus iota by 3. Okay, minus 1. 2 cube is how much? 8. I cube is how much? Minus iota. So minus iota upon 3. Okay, so 3 here cancel because 3 into 2 into iota by 3. So 3 cancel plus. So just this 2 iota multiply by 2 plus iota upon 3. So minus 1 into plus 4 iota. 2 iota into iota by 3 is how much? Minus 2 by 3. Just separate the real and imaginary parts here. So this will be minus 1 into 8 minus 2 by 3 plus 4 iota into 4 minus 1 by 3. Okay, just solve this now. Minus 1. Okay, 8 minus 2 by 3 is 24 minus 2 by 3 plus iota into 12 minus 1 by 3. Okay, this I will write here. Minus 1 into 22 by 3 plus 11 by 3 iota. Open the bracket. Minus 22 by 3 minus 11 by 3. This is the answer. Okay. So let us start the next question. Next is 3 Okay, this is the question. So again, this same thing in this question we have to express in the form of a plus iota b. Okay, so look at the numerator, a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So 3 square minus iota root 5 whole square. This one root 3 plus root 2 iota minus root 3 plus root 2 iota. So root 3 cancel. Okay, now look at this one, 9 minus iota square is how much? Minus 1. So plus root 5 will be 5. Okay, at the bottom it was how much? 2 root 2 iota. So this is basically 14 upon 2 root 2 iota. So 14 by 2 is how much? 7 upon root 2 iota. See, you cannot leave this question in here because you have to show this form. So just rationalize it. So multiply by root 2 I and divided by root 2i. This will be 7 root 2i upon 2i square. Okay, so 7 root 2 iota divided by 2i square. I square is how much? -1, so -2. Okay, so you can write it like this: -7 by root 2 iota. 0 minus 7 by root 2 iota. This is the general form. Okay, I think we are done for today. We will see the next concept in the next class.